Easy Polish with Dorota Cooper. Alphabet in Polish. Pronunciation only. Alfabet polski, tylko wymowa. Letters of the Polish alphabet. The Polish alphabet consists of 32 letters. Knowledge of the alphabet will be useful to you on daily basis in reading and writing, but the order of the letters in the Polish alphabet may be useful to you, for example, when searching for some information in Polish dictionaries. Take a look at the Polish alphabet. A, as in the English Adam. A, Adam. On, as in the English song. On, song. B, as in the English bear. B, bear. Ch, as in the English church. Ch, church. D, as in the English depth. D, depth. E, like in the English elephant. E, elephant. Ow is very similar to the English word scrounge, which means to obtain for free. F, like in the English word flag. F, flag. G, as in the English golf. G, golf. Is soundless. If you want to learn this one, please find my other video dedicated just to this sound. E, as in the English bee. E, bee. E, like in the English word yellow. E, yellow. K, in Polish we have only one k sound. This sound k is like in the English cow. K, cow. L, like in the English lullaby. L, lullaby. W, like in the English window. W, window. M, like in the English monkey. M, monkey. N, like in the English nothing. N, nothing. N is very similar to the English knee, but you need to pronounce it faster. Ni, ni. Please remember that Polish O is always short, like in the English octopus. O, octopus. U, like in the English book. U, book. P, as in the English purse. P, purse. Polish R is rolling R. If you want to learn this one, please find my other video dedicated just to this sound. S, like in the English snake. S, snake. Sh, like in the English language shop. Sh, shop. T, like in the English Tom. T, Tom. U is pronounced as look in English. U, look. V, like in the English van. V, van. E, like in the English pink, sink. If you want to learn this one, please find my other video dedicated just to this sound. Z, as in the English zero. Z, zero. J is the nearest phonetic sound in the English. J. The nearest j sound is like the name of the late actress Zsa Gabor. Zsa. To wszystko na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia.